Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. Google Takeout is one of the best tool to download the data if you are using Google products. You can use Google Takeout to export Google data from different 50 different Google tools. To access Google Takeout, visit takeout.google.com. Then you will get a page something like this. But if you're not logged into your Gmail ID, then you have to log in with Gmail ID. Then it will show some page something like this. It will show around 50 different Google services. You can select the services here something like this. So if you need to download something like calendar, then you can click calendar. Then in the footer, you can click on the next step. Then so you can see different type of options like frequency export once or export every 2 months, something like this. You can create export. It will start to create an export, and you will get a notification in your email. Also you can manage different your exports too. So it's very easy to in different time of period, in different cases you may require to download the data from Google accounts. You can transfer to one different services, or you can make a copy for future purposes. So hope it will help you in your digital journey. Thank you for watching videos.